Welcome to the Professional Prepper. Today I wanted to discuss with you these heirloom variety seed packs. Now they come in many different shapes and sizes and types and variety types. So I want to kind of go over some of my favorites. I'm going to go ahead and put my favorites down in the video description down below. You can pick them up on Amazon if you'd like. Now, number one reason why you're going to want to pick up something like this is going to be cost. You're going to save about half the price on your individual seed packets versus buying one of these. One of these usually contains anywhere from 30 to 40 different varieties of seeds for your garden, and it's going to be roughly $30 to $40 versus buying them individually, which can cost you anywhere from $60 to $80. So number one is cost. Number two is going to be quality. Now all of these varieties that you're going to be picking up here in these come from the United States of America. Big plus there, supporting local businesses. And these companies that sell these, they actually have most of them on the websites. They place kind of what their standards are and who actually grew those seeds for them. So you know you're coming from a reputable dealer as well as good quality people here locally in the United States. Now, number three is going to be they pick some of the best varieties that are the heaviest producers, highest yields, and produce great tasting quality vegetables and fruits for your garden. So definitely you're going to look at, I'm going to show you a little bit of the types of varieties that I have from this seed pack, and you'll kind of see the different varieties that they have. Now last is going to be, these make the perfect gift for yourself or for a loved one. So if you're looking for something for the holidays, if you're looking for something for a birthday, for that gardener out there, or that prepper, or someone that just has a green thumb, definitely pick up one of these. You won't be disappointed. So next I'm going to kind of show you what you'll find in this. This is something I recently picked up, and I'll kind of go over the different varieties that they have. Here we are with the brassicas, and they have the green salad bowl lettuce, which is probably the best tasting. Of course, your kale, and this variety here is packed full of nutrients. And the spinach, arugula, broccoli, cabbage, collard greens, and cauliflower. So those are some awesome varieties here in Arizona. We grow these in the wintertime. Absolutely delicious. Over here we have some of our herbs, and I think herbs are the best bang for your buck in the garden. Really add a good pop to your meals. We got dill, parsley, cilantro, lemon balm, as well as basil. And so I love growing those. And of course here is one of our quick to producing, about 30 days till full growth, is our radishes, zucchini, some of our summers, and that black beauty is a heavy producer. I can't eat them fast enough. Okra, cucumber, eggplant, beets, carrots, and winter squash. I can grow 2 seasons worth of winter squash, and those will last 90 days in a climate controlled environment. Awesome. And of course here we are with our tomatoes, our San Marzano, and those are absolutely delicious, packed full of flavor. We got our peppers, jalapenos, cayenne peppers, California Wonder Pepper, our tomatoes, different heirloom mix, our Tiny Tims, and those things produce awesome here in the hot desert. A watermelon, Hearts of Gold melon, and that is the variety of mix it has here. Now, a couple things I wish it did have would be like some bush beans or climbing beans, some snow peas. But this is an awesome variety here, and you will love these. So I've already planted some of the beets as well as some of the kale and salad greens there. And so I can't wait to harvest a bunch of this. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them down in the comment section below, as well as any recommendations you have for our fellow viewers. As always, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, helps me out. I'll catch you next time.